All right, so this is the main page when we log into Wellfound as a employer. Um, this is here the dashboard, which talks about all the jobs and applicants that we have. Now, this is the main place I go to here up to post a new job. So these are the jobs that we have, which are actually active right now. And there's a couple of drafts that haven't been posted. So we go here, for example, and we post a job. It's very easy to use. We just put in the title, the description, type of employer, location, everything here that's needed. And also this place here is cool, which is the time the company works. And then we put the salary range. And then we post. Now, this one here, applicant questions, unfortunately, we can't use because it's paid. So we don't have a paid subscription. And then we go to the overview here. So for example, if we go back to jobs, this is a job that is active. So it's pretty straightforward how they look like. What I like here is the skills. So it's just keywords I plug in, which would be showing in the candidate CV as well. Um, and you can add coworkers as well. So these are the postings. Now, another area here is the applicants, which are the actual people who apply to the job. So we can review them as we go through the jobs, but basically, and this is super cool here about Wellfound, which has been only going on for the last month or so, which is the AI interview here. In our specific company, we look for people who are very good in English communication skills. So this is something that I put in the posting itself. And basically, once the person applies, there is an AI interview section here, which is new. And the candidate answers by video, and you just click start. The thing here that's tough, which is we cannot really change the types of questions. So each job has its own questions, but it still helps. And you just go left and right to go between the different applicants. You just click on an X if you don't want the person. And if you want to talk to the person, you click on accept, and then you can email them directly here. And if you don't want to, then you click on reject. They don't get an automatic notification about the rejection, which is a bit too manual. So you need to actually send them an email. So that is one thing that I don't really like here because it's still a bit of manual work. Um, and then there is the other parts. These are the main parts that I use. I don't really touch the other one. The messages here, I also use it, which is basically talking to the candidate. So this is the communication between me and the candidate. And from here, what I really like is I can go directly to the resume, LinkedIn profile, Wellfound profile, and I can change the candidate stage. So yeah, that is very briefly about it.